Transparency in the use of COVID-19 funds remains a mystery, despite numerous debates in Parliament.
All COVID funds accounts will be centrally managed by the National Treasury.
That process, as outlined in law, was never followed in respect of this fund.
The Attorney General's office, while making submissions before the Public Accounts Committee in Parliament, has blamed the National Treasury Cabinet Secretary Uhuru Kenyatta for allegedly going against the law while setting up a COVID-19 fund control board.
The provision that is in that legal notice is what was used to appoint the members to manage that fund. But now when the funds are collected, that is where now they are changing the post. They are actually now saying the funds now that have been collected should not be managed as public fund.
Now that you have established that there was an error, what possible cure do we have?
A discussion of the cure would be relevant if ultimately you establish that there was misappropriation of the funds.
However, the Public Accounts Committee sought to know how billions of shillings were raised and spent by the board.
The COVID-19 Emergency Response Fund is a public fund which is subject to audit by the Auditor General in line with, of course, Article 229 of the Constitution.
Any money that may have been received from government entities constituted of money based on voluntary contributions from employees of these government entities.
This comes barely 2 weeks after the National Treasury complained to Parliament about non-involvement in the inclusion to the board, which later transformed into a company dubbed Kenya COVID-19 Emergency Fund Limited. Ben Kirera, K24, Nairobi.